start engaging with child victims of sexual offenses and evaluating their conditions is a complex task. Stop. The process requires sensitive engagement and professional handling of the victim by experts in child psychology, mental health and allied fields. In many instances, CWC members are not professional psychologists or experts in mental health and behavioral sciences and often do not have a ready access to the advice of the latter. Absence of expert advice results in infirmities in CWC reports which may inflict lasting traumas upon victims, impede their rehabilitation and even cheat the process of justice. Stop. In these circumstances, it is mandatory for the CWC to work with expert agencies to develop a scientific framework for evaluating the mental condition and needs of our child victims of sexual abuse. Paucity of trained psychologists and mental health experts was noticed by the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Bangalore, hereinafter referred to as NIMHANS. In its report published in August 2023, rendered in the context of juveniles in conflict with law, creation of standardized lines of inquiries and templates developed by expert agencies like NIMHANS can supply the deficiencies in the current system. Standardized evaluation systems / inquiry formats so drawn up by institutions like NIMHANS can guide the CWC in assessing the mental condition of a child victim of a POCSO Act offences and to determine the process of rehabilitation of the latter. Stop. The said standards of inquiry can form the basis of the CWC reports. Opinions of mental health experts / psychologists in CWC reports is a legal mandate which aid the courts to determine the capacity of the child victim to depose before the court and to sensitize the trial proceedings. Stop. Incorporating opinions of mental health professionals / psychologists in the said reports will also assist in the rehabilitation of the victim by making a timely reference to mental health professionals for prolonged treatment if needed. In a number of fields, the legislature has acknowledged the necessity of interface of law and legal professionals with other domains and domain experts. At times, the intellectual capital created by the siloed process of courts is inadequate for addressing complex legal issues of moment. Stop. In such situations, the courts have not hesitated to draw from other fields of knowledge or domains of specialization. Stop. Interdisciplinary engagement garners the intellectual capital which is necessary to serve justice in complex decision making processes like those related to minor victims of sexual offenses. Stop. The concept of interdisciplinary engagement has found legitimacy in the legal process. Stop. Inclusive decision making is noticeable in holdings of constitutional courts. Stop. This paradigm shift in the process of law was recognized by the Supreme Court in Varun Chandra Thakur versus Master Bholu and another, reported in 2022 SCC Online SC 870. Stop.